Brother International India launches innovative connectable label printer catering to B2B sectors, manufacturing, logistics, pharma, and hospitality. RTMworld event partner Gustavo Molinatti conducts live insightful webinars in Middle East, Africa. GG delivers eco-friendly solution for use in Ricoh IMC 2510, 3510, 6010 devices. FUJIFILM India launches INSTAX Mini 99 instant camera. HYB Toner unveils cutting-edge Copier solutions at FESPA Expo in Brazil. Pantum introduces Ultra Series printers. Big buyers from Maya to meet new suppliers at RTMworld VIP Expo in April 2024. LD Products announces strategic relocation to Arizona. Cartridge World unveils innovative executive franchise plan. Ink Tank launches ink for Canon MAXIFY GX. For more information please visit www.imagingsolution.in.